Aura Review. Does it actually protect your identity? Identity theft is on the rise, and Aura claims to be the all-in-one solution to protect you online. But does it really work, or is it just another subscription advice? Let's break it down. So what is Aura? Aura is a digital security platform that combines identity theft protection, credit monitoring, VPN, antivirus, and parental controls in one app. It monitors your personal data across the dark web, financial accounts, and credit reports, alerting you if something looks suspicious. It's aimed at individuals and families who want full coverage against online threats. Here's what Aura offers: identity theft monitoring with near real time alerts, credit and financial account monitoring, built in VPN and antivirus protection, parental controls for safe browsing, and 24/7 US based customer support. They also include a $1 million insurance coverage for eligible identity theft cases. Its pros include being an easy to use app with multiple protections in one place. It has fast alerts compared to traditional credit monitoring. Its family plans make it cost effective if you want to protect everyone. However, it is more expensive than single purpose apps like standalone VPNs or password managers. And no app can guarantee 100% protection, it only lowers your risk. Some features overlap with tools you might already have. So does Aura actually protect your identity? Yes, it's one of the most comprehensive identity protection services out there. It won't stop every threat, but it can alert you quickly and give you peace of mind. And that is an honest review of Aura VPN.